everyone, welcome to the EduShort section of EduTales. In the last video, we have learned about the alligation rules and its uses in mixture and alligation. Today, we are going to learn about remove and replace in mixtures. Let us understand with an example. A 20 kg mixture of two pulses A and B contains A and B in the ratio of 3:2. A 10 kg of the mixture is removed and replaced with only A, and the operation is repeated once more. At the end of the replacement, what is the ratio of A and B in the resultant mixture? Here, the mixture of 20 kg is in the ratio of 3:2. Therefore, the proportion of A and B will be 12 kg and 8 kg respectively. Now, let us solve this question in 4 steps. Step 1. At first, 10 kg of mixture is removed, which means the quantity is half. Thus, the amount of A type of pulse will be 6 kg and that of B will be 4 kg. Step 2. 10 kg of A type of pulse is added. Thus, the mixture will now contain 16 kg of pulse A but still 4 kg of type B pulse. Step 3. Now again 10 kg of the mixture is separated. Thus, A type of pulse left will be 8 kg and B type of pulse will be 2 kg. Step 4. Now again 10 kg of A type of pulse is added, which means the amount of A will be 18 kg and that of B will be 2 kg. Thus, the pulses are mixed in the proportion of 18:2 or 9:1 and the amount B type of pulse is 2 kg. This method seems very lengthy and time consuming, and we know the value of each second in all the competitive exams. So, here's the short way to do such problems. Remember this formula. WR by WO is equal to 1 minus R by M whole to the power N, where WR is the amount of the not replaced substance after the replacements have taken place. WO is the original amount of the not replaced substance. R is the total amount of substance replaced during the process. And M is the total volume of the mixture. Using this formula, in our example, we get WR by WO is equal to 1 minus R by M whole to the power N. Here, WO is equal to the original amount of pulse B, that is 4 kg. R is the total amount of pulse replaced in each step, that is 10 kg, and M is the total quantity of the mixture, that is 20 kg. Substituting these values, we get WR by 8 is equal to 1 by 2 square, that is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, WR is equal to 2 kg. And the resultant proportion of the pulses A and B is 18:2 or 9:1. That's all for today. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. Suggestions and comments are always welcome. Thank you.